Spam comments on Instagram Reels can be frustrating. To keep your Reels clean and safe, Instagram lets you block these unwanted comments. And here's how you can do that. First, go ahead and open your Instagram application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen. Once you're in this page, go ahead and open Privacy Settings. Now from this page, scroll all the way down and there you will see the section of how others can interact with you. From this section, tap on comments that you will find below tags and mentions. Hover your attention to types of comments and there you will see the option of hide unwanted comments. Go ahead and tap on more. Select the option according to your preference, then come back. And under block comments for, which is the initial option over here, tap on that. Go ahead and add people. Choose the users that you want to block commenting on your Reels and turn on hide offensive comments to automatically hide comments that might be spam or inappropriate. You can also turn on manual filter with specific words, phrases, or emojis that you don't want to see. So that's it. Your settings are saved automatically and spam comments will now be blocked or filtered from your Reels. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.